Okay, what I'm going to talk to you about right now is the abstinence assignment. This is an assignment that I find to be very helpful in helping people to understand addiction and how difficult it is to change behaviors and uh, substance use. Uh, for this assignment, you are going to identify either a substance that you consume every day or an activity or process that you participate in every day. If you do choose a substance, it can't be alcohol or other drugs of abuse. There are a couple of reasons for this. One, stopping use of those could be very unhealthy, depending on the substance you're using. And secondly, uh, this is being written down, and you probably don't want to put those things in writing. It must have little or no known nutritional value, have known negative consequences, and likely be something you would crave if you did not have it. Um, the same application of craving should apply to an activity or process of choice. If you are a regular video gamer and you do not get to play for a couple of days, you may very well crave that behavior, may even feel withdrawal symptoms from that. Uh, some examples of things that people have given up in the past include salt, soda, candy, chocolate, sugar, ice cream, video games, TV watching, social media. Uh, Once you choose a substance or activity, you must abstain from this for 2 weeks. I'm giving you plenty of notice so that you have plenty of time to get the 2 weeks in and to work on the paper. All choices are subject to instructor approval. Uh, so I'm just going to ask you to email me and let me know what it is that you've decided you're going to abstain from. If you do not hear from me, then I have no problem with the choice that you made. If you do hear from me, it'll be because I have a concern that perhaps giving up that particular substance or behavior may have some negative impact on you. In my office right now, motorcycles are going by. Now, you will not be graded on whether or not you are actually abstinent over the 2 weeks, but you will be graded on your written explanation of the process. So here are the things that need to be in the paper. The good thing is that you can start working on the first part of it now, and then at the end of the 2 weeks, you can write the second part. So you're going to start by talking about what you're abstaining from, the first time that you use that substance or engaged in that activity, how often you've used that substance or participated in that activity over the last 30 days before the assignment started, the negative impact that this substance or this behavior has on your life biologically, psychologically, socially, and spiritually. And also your plans to keep from using the substance or for performing the activity. Most importantly, what healthy behaviors you could engage in to replace the one that you're giving up. This part you can start working on now and continue to work on as you are doing the 2 weeks of abstinence. At the end of that 2 week period, you will write about how many days you abstained, how many days you relapsed, what triggered the relapse, how effective you were in implementing your plans for abstaining and for engaging in healthy behaviors, and also what you learned from the experience in relation to substance use, addiction, recovery, relapse, and treatment. The paper needs to be typed, double spaced, 2 to 3 pages long. I am not a stickler on format. For this particular paper, do it the way that works for you. Some people have done it in journal form, some people in paragraph form. Whatever works for you. What I am really interested in is understanding your experience and what the experience taught you about this particular assignment. It's very easy to look at from the outside at a person with an addiction issue and think, why don't they just stop? I think when we try to give something up just for 2 weeks, we begin to understand just how difficult it can be to give up a substance. So it seems odd to say, but have fun with this assignment and learn something about yourself and addiction at the same time. The paper is due July 7th, so I look forward to reading these, and I will talk to you soon.